This is group 9 with Joanne, Nakosha, myself, Neha, and Shane.
All right, so for our problem today, we'll be using the contingency table to solve it. The problem reads, your patient's digital mammogram results is a positive for breast cancer, which has a prevalence of 20% in an at-risk female patients. Studies have shown that the digital mammogram has a sensitivity of around 87% and a specificity of 90%. In a population of 1,000 female patients, representative of the at-risk population, what is the probability that the patient actually has breast cancer given a positive mammogram?
All right. So out of our total population of 1,000 at-risk female patients, we have a prevalence of 20%. So when we multiply the 20% by the total, which is 1,000, we get 200. And to find the amount of patients with positive tests and have breast cancer, you would multiply that 200 total by 87% to get 174. And to find the amount of patients that did not have breast cancer with a negative test result, we multiply that by 90% because that's the specificity. And then you add up all the totals. And to answer the question, how many patients have breast cancer given a positive test, you would divide the amount of positive tests breast cancer patients divided by the total, which is 174 divided by 254, and you get 68.5%. So 68.5% of female patients who tested positive on the mammogram have breast cancer.
All right, so we're looking at the same question, and we're actually going to solve this time using the Bayes theorem. Now that question—
We have about 1 minute.
All right, this can be simply solved using the equation that states sensitivity multiplied by X, and remember we have all of these values, is divided by sensitivity multiplied by X plus 1 minus the specificity multiplied by 1 minus X. So all you have to do is plug in the values which we've been given. Looking at the equation at the bottom here, 0.174 divided by 0.174 plus 0.1 multiplied by 0.174 again plus 0.08 gives us 0.174 divided by 0.24. You find that 0.685 or 68.5% of female patients who tested positive on the mammogram indeed have breast cancer.
All right, that's the end of our presentation.